Now, here is a question for you. What happens if the terrain, the near surrounding, is not horizontal like this and there is a slope in the terrain? How can we draw the plans, the section, and the elevation? Let's imagine that this east part is not at the same level with the west part, and there is this level difference between the east side and the west side. As you can see here, this part, let's say that this is 0, 0, 0. And if this is 0, 0, then this part is minus 2.70, the level. And there is the sloping surface here, the earth, sloping earth. And there is this wall which holds the load of all the earth there. So when you approach the building from this side, you will see only one story. However, if you approach the building through the west side, then you will notice that there are two stories. How can we draw the plans and the sections and the elevation? Now, the only difference, everything is same. The only difference is that there is this level difference in the terrain. This is the same level of the first floor, our previous first floor, and this is the same floor with our previous ground floor. So when I look from the other part, I will notice that there is this wall that holds the earth, because as you can see, the level of the earth is higher than the level of the earth from here instead of this sloping surface. This is all at the same level, and there is this wall that holds the pressure of the earth, and that's it. So how can we draw the ground floor plan? Let's start with the ground floor plan. When I cut through the ground floor horizontally, I will cut through this wall, and on the other part, I will cut through the earth and this sloping surface, sloping walkway. And when I elevate the upper part, I will see that I will cut through the earth, as you can see. And let's get a little bit closer. This is what appears. So this is how I need to draw the ground floor plan by looking at this projection. Now I can change my drawing, and here there appears this wall, and it's been cut as well. And this is the inside of the earth, the cut surface of the earth. So this is how I can do. First, I need to copy my ground floor plan, and let me copy everything, because it will change partially. So first, I need to indicate the level of the cut surface here. It's approximately like the 2/3 of the area. So this is how I can do it. I need to do the same here, and I can create a line approximately here, which is again inclined. This is the same if we cut an inclined surface with a horizontal plane, then we need to create this thick black and inclined line to indicate the cut surface here, this cut area here, and it's been cut through the earth as well. So it goes like this. I need to extend this line a little bit. This is the cut surface, and the rest will be over my head. This part here I can see, and this is the cut surface. However, the rest is over my head. As you can see, it's been elevated, and I need to draw the cut surface of the wall there. So first I need to understand its position. It's at the same position with the back wall. So this is how I can do it. I can create the wall here, and it's just a long wall like this. And the appearance of the ground floor ends there. And I need to give the gap again because there is this level difference, and I can create the wall like that. And as you can see here, now I can do the hatch to indicate the cut surface. And I just close the line to do the hatch in AutoCAD. And after that, I'm going to get rid of that line because it needs to be open to indicate that that wall is a continuous wall. It doesn't end here. It continues towards this direction. And the rest of the lines are above my head. Now I need to create them in dashed lines. I need to convert them into dashed lines. And since they are above my head, I shouldn't give any information. And of course, I cannot do a wall here because if I just open a wall, that will be inside the earth. So I can get rid of this wall, door, sorry. And I can do this one more time later. And yeah, that's how I need to do that. Need to make a continuous wall here without the door, and everything should be dashed. The rest should be dashed because they are just above my head. Let's do this like that. Yeah, that's all. And the sidewalk as well. So now I can create the hatch for the earth as well to indicate that the earth is being cut. Two, I will just have this line to do my hatch, and then I'm going to get rid of it because I shouldn't do that line. So this is, okay, let me do this. Okay, I'm going to pause the video for a minute. Yes, I finished my hatch. This is the cut surface of the earth. That's just the earth. And these are all above my head. This is the cut surface of the sidewalk and the earth as well. And the cut surface of the wall that holds the earth there. And of course, my tree should be with dashed lines because that's above my head too. So this is how I should represent this building with a sloping surface. And let's check what changes with the AA section. Now, since this part here is above my head, the height of this terrace is elevated. By using my dashed lines, I can find its true position. So this changes, of course, and this section of this terrace will change as well. And I can elevate it so that it will be at the same level with the first floor. And I can move my terrace sign up there, and that's the only difference that appears here. And I can just indicate this sloping surface at my back with dashed lines too. So this is what I need to do. That sloping surface starts from here So I can transfer it to my plan and it ends here. And this is how I should show it with these dashed lines. That's all. And after that, I can just create the hatch one more time to indicate this Earth surface. I did my hatch, and now I should add the level of this terrace, which is the same with the level of this surface here. Okay, now I need to change all the levels because now this time this is the 0 point and this is the minus 2.8 t centimeters. So this should be the 0 and here again this is the same. And this part here is minus 2.70, and this should be the same with it. So I need to recalculate everything according to these new levels. Like this one here will be 9 centimeters plus 0.9 t. And this part here will be 190 and plus 190, and the height of the landing will change 126. However, this time it's minus 126 because it's beneath the 0 point. This is minus 270, so it's all the levels here are finished. Now I need to do these levels. Let me check the height of this pivot wall. It's minus 180, minus 180 now. And this part here is minus 60. And this is plus 90. So 0.90, I need to change it. And this part is 190, yes. 190, and the level of the ear will be 199. 199, and these are the new levels. So I cannot name this plan as the ground floor plan anymore because this time I will have 2 ground floors. If I approach the building from this side, then this will be the ground floor. If I approach the building from this side, then this will be the ground floor. So in order to get rid of that confusion, I need to change the names of the floor plans according to the levels. Like this will be minus 2.70 floor, and all these levels should be changed as well. And there is no level because that's above my head, so I can get rid of this level mark. I don't need it anymore. And I can just put these levels. So the name of the plan can be changed as minus 2.70 level plan. That will be better. And this part here is the minus 1.26. It's minus 1.26. So I can name this floor plan as the 00 floor plan, which will be indicated like this, 00 floor plan. But this time, since it is the ground floor as well, I need to show the near surrounding too. So this is how I can do it. I can copy it from my other plan. And let me just get rid of these for a minute. And this as well. And this part here. So this is how I should do it. First, when I cut through the upper floor, when I change the position of this horizontal cutting plane, I won't cut this wall anymore. I will look it from above. So I need to change it. I need to first copy these lines and change their thickness so that I can understand that these are the things that are seen, not cut, but they are seen. That's the upper surface of this wall here. And I can copy these lines to indicate the seen surface of that terrace area. However, they don't need to be dashed anymore because these are the things that I can see itself. So I am going to indicate them with continuous lines, not dashed lines, and these lines as well. Now I can show the rest like this. However, I should indicate them with very, very thin lines because these are the things that are away from me. So I will change their line weights into a very thin line thickness so that people can understand that they are the things that are being seen far away. They are not close to me, they are far away from me, and I will do them like this. So this is again the floor plan, and instead of the wall here, I can create instead of the window here, I can create a wall, a door there to provide the entrance here. Yeah, and okay, I'm going to change them in a minute. Yeah. So this is the door, so I can put the entrance sign like this. And the writing should be like that. True position is like this. As you can see, I changed the positions of the levels as well. Here is the 0, 0 inside the and outside the door that connects the outside and inside surfaces. The start of the level difference 0, 0, the end of the level difference minus 1.2. Again, the level difference here and here. This part is as well, since this works like a ramp, the sloping surface, I need to put the level at the beginning and the level here at the end. And that's all. Maybe I can just put another level here. To be good for me to put the level here and show that the left side of this wall is minus 2.70 and the right side of this wall is 0, 0, as you can see here. So this is the -0, floor plan. This is the -270 level plan. Sorry, this should be level and level plan. So it will be easier for me to represent what's going on here. And now let's do the rest elevation. There, of course, there will be a change. Just imagine yourself, you are standing here and looking towards this direction. You will be able to see this inclined surface and this side of the wall as well. So this is how you can do it. If you want, you can just change the position. Sorry, you just copy the plan and turn it like this. So it will be easier for us to transfer the required things from the plan. And yeah, so here we will, first I need to, okay, these, okay. I'm going to put them on this side, so I will have a place to work. And maybe here for now. So now I will be looking at the surface and I can find its true level from my AA section, and I will look at the surface here. This is the inclined surface and this is the 0, 0 level, and there is this earth at this level. And so I need to transfer my tree up there. Yeah, the position of the tree has been changed because of the slope. And there appears the wall, and I can find the height of the wall by measuring in 90 centimeters for the parapet here, so that people cannot get hurt. And this is the level of my terrace area here, and this is the level of the and it needs to be dashed because that's something that I cannot see itself. And maybe I can create these lines as well, so people can understand that this is a sloping surface. So this is how I do it. I just copy the lines and trim the rest. Yeah, this is this surface of the wall, and this is the surface of the inclined sloping ramp. And there is the tree and the height of the earth. And this is how it should be changed. And of course, I need to change the levels one more time. Now I can place them closer, a little bit closer, and maybe I can place them here. This part can be over here. Yeah, this is nice. So this is how it should change. I indicated this part with dashed lines because this is something I cannot see. It's been blocked by the wall here, retaining wall here, and that's beneath the wall. Okay. Yeah, this is how it should change.